Hey friends! Someone brought my juicer in for repair. They said it worked last year, but now it's stopped working. Let's turn it on and check if it's working. It really doesn't seem to work. It feels like something's trying to turn on but is just skipping. Let's take it apart and see what the problem is. This is what it looks like. Let me show you its full name. So, I removed all the removable parts, and all that's left is this part. Next, to disassemble it, we need to unscrew 4 screws. Let's do that. I see a filter at the input, then a toggle switch with a diode, and there's also a limit switch. It looks like the operation is related to that. It looks like the actuation mechanism isn't working properly, and the limit switch won't press. It looks like the actuation mechanism really needs to be disassembled and figured out how it works to fix the problem. The toggle switch seems to be responsible for the rotation speed. The toggle switch controls the speed, and the handle turns the juicer on. Now I'll try to disassemble the mechanism and see what's interfering with it. First, I'll remove the spring. I think I figured out how it works. There's a special flag that's triggered when you put the lid on, unlocking the mechanism and allowing you to turn on the juicer. I couldn't remove the motor because it's either glued or hot sealed at the top. I'd have to either heat it or break the blade to get it out. Now I understand how it works. When the lid is on, the flag moves to the side and unlocks the power mechanism. Only after the lid is on can the juicer be started. Let's take a look at the jug. Maybe there's a problem there. There's a plastic tab on the lid that's supposed to move the flag. I'm not sure yet if it's broken or if that's how it's supposed to be. This tab should fit into the juicer body and push the flag out. This system is specifically designed for user safety, preventing injury to fingers. The juicer won't work until the lid is on. Now you need to lift the metal handle up. Only then will the switch turn on. If you lower the handle during operation, the juicer turns off automatically. So, to operate the juicer normally, you need to remove the transparent cover on top and lift the metal handle up. I think the transparent lid serves to prevent dust from getting in when it is in storage mode. So, friends, now I completely understand how it works. The transparent lid is there to keep dust and debris out while it's on the shelf. To use it, you need to remove the transparent round lid and lift the metal latch all the way. If you look closely, you'll see a recess in the plastic where the metal handle fits. So, pull it all the way down. And now the lid is pressed against the juicer and the mechanism is unlocked. Now you can turn it on. So, I figured out how it works. It seems to be fully functional, but the person doesn't know how to use it. I need to explain to the owner how his juicer works.